Abusia enya asam ketwa ewo fidie mu ye dika ka chem se bronya no se de ekoye no in fact eniema koso mini mini aba eye empress ba ko pe ye din komo na bi na enei an empire kikim ebedwa ye ma makonya no nso na mo nso mafre na mo nso ma kire se de mo bronya no eko edema mo na munim maami mahu no ewo chese ono o twasini nimsini twatesini twase owo sini twam enya asem ketwa owo sini twam twasene etesini twase na maami woni ni di nkomo a ono no wo dwen ne no watra china o atra de chinye ono next year enya obi asem ya maame Fante dodo na afre no Agaga mama what's up mami blue yeah man wo ye fese yi no na wo space yi die baby akoto no sere we free ha fa me ko na pom ti se ba me
empo cho nyame adum ti ye hu yi
ye da otwedi ampon ase na ye nhwe uburo nyi se na udi na nkasa
oh se afina abotu ye na mom ye me sha asia na me film nti se me wo bibia wo di Mother's Day
what chambro ya no
chambro
na say that so December me ntwam mame
yeah ka sunsum sam
hey sunsum sam na gan
we are talking about the spiritual world
and I say o we ase
we are na say yet asase su ye ni asase do nti maka bibi atase ye twam last year 2020 no ye fimu na ye rematch but this year ye chicha to mama no Mother's Day
and they say no what they say no won 2022
Mother's Day me dress
Mother's Day say me anambo
me nti one year way we are there we catch up
abusia na mama nka wo say Empress Empress Gifty ne maame pa na etie na ye ne no twetwe engoma me na o dress no edin bi o wa de friend na
me dress ne de we say any dress me friend no the difference
your no say the difference
no see me friend the
difference
oh come to 22
on the see wo on the top space man wo
ono na e top bibia they say jewels na no ye Empress Gifty collection
no no
Empress Gifty collection
you can't say collection what is your collection
spell me collection
okay I remember capital C yes I remember capital C oh
you remember
L yes I remember LL YCTION
Empress you said there mama to the bibie no wuja ye am mami afa the bibia
collection
and you bronya no one di wudi ni say because some bronya na mudi na entu ni o
bronya na nkasa do ye di me na twom
mumu di ama na twom
ye ni Empress team no na Empress family no
ana mudi ye
na ye ni takrade fo me nana no eku ada na ne buso ye di me na twom dada
anti wo say de omudi ni de we free
ye fi
and you kwese ya Mother's Day gift on
exactly into the mind I don't know when you finish some better me beji to man the package no
beji
me beji but
mama o
Agaga
hey Agaga
young man
Agaga me person me do ko industry ni enkofu bisa industry no does it pay and then me bisa who colleagues maybe ana industry na wo mu no and obi atwa we dida na
hey putisi hey putisi ahuyado yeto ensenyo
no I don't know
and you warning
Fante huma
more volume Obi see, there be obi ed whisker.
And you know 20 atase.
You want to you want to remove it.
Are you there? Somebody's watching me up there. See yourself. Hey! In fact, no question there. I like the work. It's within me. Say you can't. Nyama na nyame di che nipa me di na 1,000. Nyame or ya 5. Apostle, evangelist, prophet, sad no. Me di na abo. Enti me hu say me to make trust in no. It was inside me when I was 15 years. But in fact, they have done it.
How much you pay?
Hey, Jesus is Lord.
No more who try no more
no way gwan ana say.
Ngese me gwan no. Set no if you be a shot Messi, nothing in yet to the day. I must mad upon. So what can must ma? The one central region, I must ma. Dokuni bi won fante dokun asa na ko
see one
na ko man kesi man sa na ko nyamransa what was ni na nkasa hwe obi akase we nyi sika oda ato asasa ye no kre na nwom middlemen bi be hiem a
middlemen
yeah we call them middlemen.
Okay,
omone here for
omone hello.
Hi.
This is Maame Fante for you.
omone will give it to them. They are watching you.
You are watching me. Hey Kumasi.
You Kumasi.
Soja Lai. Accra. Nipa ba akudi mabonidi. Africa. You are watching me.
Give it to him.
Hey, Africa, you are watching me. Eric, you are watching me. I told you that one day, you will meet your meeters. Yeah, we are mothers. Papa, Miss Watching this, so what can they be in Ejumanu na eso na ejumanu ye fe na I was proud to be an actress.
You feel the bombos.
I feel the bombos. Hey, na me yanko baako ye fe Mama Kali, Mama sorry. Mama Kali wo kuma ase o twa me. Hey, ye kwaye ko boase. Eboase ni ye tumi de be da busume ba asa. Me costume na me de kwa ewe fie wurasua mi crop wo.
Na wa costume na de ko.
Costume ko. Yeah. Costume na international costume.
Allah.
Enti me ko bucket wom, copot wom, heater wom. Tesa me ko set. Enti sinin ye twai. Na dam ye no mes wo. Enti my Fante. Mpocha wo ba. Ebe ye dwue bi. Na me so okay. Ye kan na fi no odimedi no.
Akwaji sika no.
Maame Fante me se producer ne maame yare na anti yare no wofa so ne ba ba me so kra wa akọ school when your problem nti ye adwuma ko ye nya ye say oh eti anu po say say ka 2 million bi od be ma
Hey,
oh no odimedin no
akwaji be 2,000 3,000
nti me so minim ade we na me de minim na be kwa ni ni me say sene ko ye tia ka see the passion in the movie was so strong. I'm telling you. Na me kwa de me ni say ye tia ka.
Na unim secretary o.
Ana so okwa package no odi ko.
Oh, just ade na ya me de.
Ta wo di judi.
Dress up edi dia me jiwo kuma si ye wrade ka je tia ho. Maame Fante kabrofo no. Maame Fante kabrofo no. Enu na me di wo kuma si nti kuma se fu che me nyampa me dada ko ka je tia ho. Me kwa me ntade o. Na se me tu wata me kwatere kuma si. Hello. Me kwa ha den wa chiansi. Ewo mamponti
but still no mutwa wo muji wiskani
it's na me wo kuma se na gwofu nim se wo kuma se
okay
na me wo ho but if ekwofu be hu me se me kwa brekum awoche
waji wiskedi
wo hwa me
ono so waji wiskedi
sika no onfa mba
onfa mba
o mo sika kase 2 million na sika no
o mo sika kase
2 million na ba akodi ono ode ma wani wo yi 20 Ghana fiso Agaga wo
and the body you are mentioning names
2 million no dey ma na we yi 20 Ghana
waje tight air tight
no we yi
The tax no
tax no anu be poa wo hwa mi na we yi fiso
u body
nti egusua na ba akode eno ye kwa brekum na me kɔ hɔ da ye kotwa asene bi na sene no producer no wɔ hɔ sɛ producer bi ate yenka ofi do man nkra and kro no ba so niska enti o se Maame Fante ya te wudi wɔ hɔ enti ye ba kwa na dwo 10 o'clock ne ye fat saa bi na shube ya fe na aba
ede
shube no ka ya be 10 to left 10 to right na fe na aba enti ye tre shube no mu no ana che say ye say ye kodo man nkro ye kwa kaka light ni ho na me ni kojo nkansa na ko ye saa de no me ni na ko ye ti ye kwa ye dru me no say kojo ye kwa he ase anti me so makometu me so wa we ye be ma no driver ni tikam na driver ni no tikam wo hwa abaka say o go light nti enu gra ma yakometu say baby o de e fa no si kojo wo hwa ye kofie etikam si yanda yanda ti etikam man ye kudu do man nkro anadwo bayi 12 o de ko hotel ansa ne ye kotwa sene ne kojo kansa na start ye o twa na papa no man 20 Ghana so fan ye props o we no si kojo physical no si na sa wo de yanka o si me do mo ka se mpanifo mba se producer ni sika asema me kai wo brekum ye koye ko do man nkro
na mo twa movie no
nti ye kotwa akyeramasu me ni kojo nkasa ti director fo no ba ni abenti ye twa asene no so na me si kojo
no we twa mo edi we gwan
je se dom do wo set ni so no nankasa obefra ye no o yira
ma hono
ye hunu na kojo si okosa aba na me si me mekɔ tema because man krasa me ba aya mayira na me kite da me da no oba hotel na me si kojo je papa we na me aba bibi ti mu papa we me hye no kagitia me de na me ba boys na omoto ontons no o se ma da me se dakro wi bibi gine kagitia na kwani nya me fans wo wonti me gina wa me hwe so papa so wa Jerry o je space oba na me hwe na oba so me so me pie yo bibi si me pie mi hye Maame Fante poacho no obu ntwo wo kagitia ho
no do wa kose kuro
Jesus Christ
adwane ye
me I have a God me see somebody is watching me up there when
chawedi
me come chiro me see papa Maame Fante poacho me to me nda na me see me ka chiro wo bleku me there and me wo nyankopon bi he will expose you so it is some boys no mo ton se no obviously Maame Fante wa yo dan na me hu se me blow alarm o me pira no na me onye hwe o ma se ni boy wadafo no wabu ntwa we wianum na wabu ntwa wo kagitia
te na kese nkofu bi na o mo atwa wedi na ende bebre are regret
o mo regret asampa na me kan o mo enu o mo ehu ye kwaye igbe no mo fi se edwuma na ye nipa ba akoja but is e ya dum bi e wo nipa mu hwe sene na nkasa so edu baby no so obi ni wa ye ntwa we kwa brechiri we kwa brechiri
enkoso
we kwa ntwa we kwa ntwa
ye beba o mo ye ntwa no na ye ntwa ye ho ne emre ba e betro so enye enkomo ne nya azem ketwa ye ko bazia
Yes, I so Emma Akaba Ediba a Christmas edition Belgium and they were Agaga I Maame biological mother aka Maame Fante and then they and wa Minia Bema and Koso e wa hanumu semi co-host na yegusu ye ne sorry any Agaga AD and Komono na I say baby adwin there was see a bora English mu kakra e said there be yankofo abakure mu e beti dia ye kana so Agaga yeah I wanted to ask you. So, how do you see our parliamentarians?
Oh, thank you for this wonderful question.
Thank you. Welcome.
The thing is, they are doing a tremendously work.
Oh, okay.
Across the globe.
Across the globe.
Global, yes.
Okay.
They are doing their best.
Okay.
In fact, we are all human.
Okay.
So, whenever I watch them, I say, oh, they are doing, but they are human. Please.
They are human. They are fighting.
Exactly. Oh. It's part of human.
Oh, okay.
Because
so you don't see anything wrong?
Oh, well, they are our fathers.
Okay. And the lawmakers.
And you see, we have to respect the arms of the governors.
Oh,
we have to respect
the arms of the government.
Oh, Agaga, you are too much.
You see,
they have to do it.
Respect the arms of the government.
Okay. So that is what they are doing.
Yeah,
they are not fighting.
No, they want to respect, and there are some issues upon issues upon issues. They have to tackle it a bit by bit.
Okay. It's okay. If it's
Oh, we are going.
But we are going. We are moving to talk.
We are moving.
Feel free. Feel free.
I'm feeling the free.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you heard that IGP says 31st, the prophet of our land should be very mindful the way they're going to say
no evidence. No
if you don't have evidence, don't say it. What's your take on it?
It's on the global.
Yes.
The announcement.
Yes.
On the global.
Yes. On the internet.
Oh yes. This morning about 6 o'clock, I saw it.
And so you read the news.
And I read it, and even I start posting.
You posted
to my numerous
social media.
To your
prophets.
That
for them to
the
read
prophetess.
That what?
That something is on the mountain. I bet you.
Something is coming.
Hey, don't joke with it, oh. My mother said, "Abba Yedri," and my father said, "Nothing late when life is long." Please, my brothers and sisters in the Lord, don't change your bedroom because of prophecy.
Don't change your bedroom.
Don't change your bedroom because of prophecy. Please sleep there. Because if you don't take care, don't go there because there's a place called there. If you go there, you will get there.
There's a place called there. Oh no, go back.
My sisters and brothers in the Lord, don't go there because there's a place called there. If you go there, you will get there.
So you are telling them they should be very mindful with their prophecy?
Yes, please. If not anything, please. Afishapo, you free.
You go. I'm say, Empress, I'm say, yenya hohobi, yentem. Na menya na ntie say, yenua ba fefe e wa chedi. Achedi bi a ode e be che wonti no. Okay. Mama say obeba da chi. Mama bra me hana yenke. Empress in chain.
Okay. Oh my God. This is 1 million. 1 million.
Empress,
this is so beautiful. One hour.
Frame by shell.
Frame by shell.
Okay.
Wow,
okay.
this is so beautiful.
Okay.
And your number is 055-804-7342. Thank you. I love this. Thank you. God bless you.
We have a thank you. And he said, Michelle said you who are the fair fee, say, oh, Pebia. Na ya de handle no besa to
nice one.
Na wonso why ye be there's a place called there.
Don't go.
If you want, can you on
there's a place called there. Don't go there because if you get there, you will see there.
Some remember to me after 0302 211.
Yes.
Remember to me after 0302 211 701. Na 24 na wonso watimi ani atwetwe enkomo so Maame na pese o chia no se ade opese o ne edi nkomo bia no obetimi afre na wonso waka na mo amfa enchia emu odupa nkoma eye Miami MP e Asante Achem South eye lawyer Kwaku Asante Boaten on eye deputy minister for railways and afei eye honorable Alexander Frempon on eye the dean of all MMDCs e Asante region and afei Miami Maame Abraham wa papa bi e Asante Achem Obogu mechia pa enti a twen se wo be frɛ na ye ne mo nso atwetwe nkomo frɛ ba ko mienu bi ba na ye enti yanhwɛ Maame yanhwɛ on say afi say wa no English madam ne dia ma obia no nko competition
I like
enti ye pese wo de brofo di mu odu gaganto one Now to say the global,
thank you.
Across the global,
across the
just
globe.
wish them.
Wish them.
Now, mom, asana be kon any abema Eric. E wa homatofon so. Eric, you akwa ba, ayin na go say free.
Yo, very mama check.
Yeah.
Me Maame na akabrofo bi.
Me ba Eric, low volume me wa na yin kasa, why?
Yo, me kasa free jabo so.
Yo, Eric my uncle.
Me Maame na akabrofo bi o say there is a place called there. Don't try to be there. If you get there, you will see there.
Yes.
You.
Me Maame bi say o the professor. There we are saying I prophecy no IGPD abano. And no dear. Papa, many IGP yagin crap because one cause fear and panic was system too much. Media minimum say, on say David Kurano, prophecy be ban of no. Or the phone can call in chain. And I'll cock a no. Or the phone and make it public say, David says, and to me, sir, a different more system, no say. Yamidi be before Mosua. Woman couldn't pan chain and cock and fanchirano. Now, Momon found tomb from Mumna and Koyoko, Abanasana, and what you now more prophecy be about Ghana. Hono. Your mind penny for your ministers were you were a mind penny for no. So, for prophecy, we don't want to make up.
Yo, Najwa, our woman, so Najwa. Okay, say, Emrena, brings Maame, wish, you know,
across the group.
Oh, yeah, the Americans.
Me pacho, answer na ma be wishing, and I just say me chia a year, nkofo a ehwe yen, ebefo ehwe, me husband. My husband nyame insha na no bibia wo hwe bia
obi bia be hwe nti no
emrekuso nyame insha
mesremo a we dey man fa ntwam mesremo parliament day baso as church go on the 2nd of January nti no ma me we hye na yenko
you answer nan pocho mo program bi wo Labana the rescue church nti e beba so 31st pocho we hye mo so for na ankra
utini ya ankra to
na mitini so ya ankra to
ye twen global small haircraft
global. Oh, what I want to tell all my fans and then the whole world, and especially the diasporas, the diasporas who celebrated my birthday for me. Hey, in fact, I say Merry Christmas, and then a happy sensational New Year. You see, I'm telling you the fact that God is on our side. So the Christmas is going down to 22. Please, respect yourself. Aban is heavy. What I'm saying is, respect yourself. Respect wherever you go. And then the Christmas will be faithful and faithful. Faithful.
And you're faithful. Faithful.
The whole Assemblies of God 22. I say,
I have many Empress and Maame Fante. Faithful. And we are ending the program with faithful.
Thank you. I like it.